visit to the United States. I will travel with my family on vacation to the United States, but also if you get the money to buy the tickets, my brother George, his wife Jennifer, and my nephews Mabel and Andy will accompany you. The luggage that we will take will be the necessary shirts, pants, coat, hats, 12 sandals, and have some toiletries, shoes, touchpad, soap and shampoo, and more other things. We will travel by plane from Bogota to New York. If there is not setback, our flight will arrive at 9 o'clock on Friday to the airport of the great city of New Yorkina. Then we will go by cab from the Hotel Pennsylvania on the Chapters located in Lower Manhattan, where a room per night costs $10 per person. We must look for place of lodging and restaurant of low cost because the money that we have for vacation is of $3,000 three days. In the city we will visit to Statue of Liberty on the visit Central Park, the city on some shopping malls. The following day we travel in rent the car to the Park Disney World, located in the city of Orlando, in the state of Florida, where we will practice swimming and will mount in the bumper cars. If the time allows us, we will go to have dinner at the restaurant Ocean's Premier, of the most popular restaurants of this beautiful city.